Hello everyone, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on what time you are seeing this video. Welcome to my channel, and in this video, I want to show you how to claim your free Lost Dogs NFT, and that is if you participated in the Pairs Boats task on Lost Dogs. There's a reason why we always say that if you participate on any airdrop, you should always look out for tasks and missions, because this is one place where you get to earn a lot of tokens or other free bees by the project. Most people just register on airdrops and just do the normal claiming and others and never pay attention to task, and this is how you get to miss out on so many other earning opportunities. In case you are wondering what task that is that gave us this NFT, because there'll be some people that did it and don't know which particular task. Let me show you the particular task that we did that qualified us for this NFT. So if you did this task, then you are probably qualified. And if you're not just doing it, if you also did it, if you did it and also connected your wallet, then you should be able to claim your Lost Dogs free NFT. And this NFT, they promise that those who have it will have some bonus as time goes on in the game. So to claim this, the first thing you should do is to come to your Telegram and use the search icon. Search for Pearls, Pearls. You should be able to see Pearls by James. Look, you see that, right? At Pearls Drop. Alternatively, you can search for at Pearls Drop, which is at Pearls Drop. This will take you directly to the Pearls Telegram channel where you can get the link for the claiming of the NFT. All right. So I'm going to click on Pearls by James. So this is it. I will join this. Doesn't matter if you join or not. But then this is the note where they just announced how to claim the NFT. This post was dropped today. Go to getgems.io and connect the wallet you use for the drop. Open it, hit the claim button and cover the blockchain fees, and then the NFT is yours. So to do that, I'm going to click on getgems.io. It will open the NFT platform on Ton blockchain. Okay, now that it is open, the first thing I need to do is to connect my wallet. All right. So I'm going to click on connect wallet. Now you need to connect your wallet. Depending on what wallet you use, I use Stonekeeper. You could be using my Ton wallet, Ton Hub, or wallet inside Telegram account. If you are using a wallet inside your Telegram, you click on open wallet in Telegram. I use Ton Hub on Stonekeeper, right? So I'm going to click on Stonekeeper, and this will take me to my Stonekeeper. Wait for that to load as well. There's no need to rush. Just wait for everything to take its time. I'll connect my wallet. I confirm that. Okay, so this brings me back to the, after it gets connected, it will bring me back to the getgems.io platform. So just cancel out this. Now, this is where it gets tricky for a lot of people, because from here, you are supposed to locate your profile and then go ahead with the claiming. So to do that, I'm going to click on the icon, profile icon here. Once I click on that, you need to click on open profile. You see open profile here. Ignore every other thing here and just click on open profile. And then this is it. Just forget all of this. Under collected, you will see all the NFT you own. Your Lost Dog should be the first one. If you do not have any other NFT before and you participated in this NFT drop, you will see your Lost Dog NFT here. This is mine. I have not claimed it yet, so it will not be in my Stonekeeper. So I will click on this. Wait for that to load. Scroll down a bit and you see claim NFT, right? Claim NFT. So I'm going to click on claim NFT. So I'm going to click on go to Stonekeeper. Okay, so I'll confirm the transaction here. So call contract 0.35. Everything is probably gonna cost me $0.4 worth of Ton. So make sure you have Ton in your Stonekeeper. If you are participating on airdrops on any particular chain, there are a lot of tasks that will require you to carry out on-chain transactions. There's no reason why anytime that you need to carry out a transaction, you start looking for where to buy $1 worth of Ton. It doesn't make sense. You are just spending unnecessary money, because to buy $1 worth of token will cost you more than to buy maybe like $5 or $10 and just keep in your wallet. So it doesn't make sense every time that people will just start looking for where to buy $1 worth of token. So ensure that you have at least one token in your wallet so that you can use it to confirm transactions anytime it is required. All right. So well, I have done. So I will slide to confirm. Okay, my transaction has gone through. I'll wait for it here. Payment received and checking for payment. Yep, claimed successfully. So this is it. It might take a while. Mine took a while. I just had to edit some waiting part out of this video, but it might take a while for that to come true. All right. It has been claimed to my Tonekeeper wallet, Fighters. Now let me go to my Tonekeeper and confirm, because inside Tonekeeper there's a section where you can see all your NFTs. All right. So from my Tonekeeper wallet, I'm going to click on collectibles. You see collectibles here. So this is the NFT I just claimed. Most of these NFT, I don't even know where they came from. You see, let me just tell you something now. If you open your collectibles and you see some of these NFT, like this one here that says 5,000 unverified, this one that says 10,000 something something not verified, I don't know them. These NFTs are scam NFTs. As if you ever interact with this kind of NFTs, your whatever you have in your wallet is gone. That wallet is gone. So I'm going to click on the see my fighters now. This is from my this is from the Lost Dog. Okay, this is from the Lost Dog. Forget the unverified tag that is added to it. I think it just got verified already. But just don't worry about this. Okay, I will click on not spam. This is because I know where it came from. I know it is not a scam NFT. So I'm going to click on not spam to remove that unverified whatever from it. That tag from it. So this is this now. My NFT has been claimed to my wallet successfully. Okay. So you can see that it has been the unverified has been removed. But this one and this other one, this 5,000 and 10,000, they are scam NFTs. I don't know where they came from. I never did anything that I received them. So that one is out of the question. But this is just how to claim your NFT from the Lost Dogs airdrop. So guys, that is it on the how to claim the NFT. All right. So just get it done, claim your NFT, and look out for missions. In case you don't know where to see missions on the Lost Dogs NFT on the Lost Dog game, you either come to Bones. When you come to Bones, you see all the missions that is available. And you see this mission, play 5 hands in Tonekeeper. Please try and complete it because you could win up to 10,000 wolf on the listing day. I have completed mine already. I don't know anything about poker, but I did it and just it has ticked green for me. At least I am qualified for that if I could get to win anything on the listing day. Another way to open your missions is to click on your number of bones, your number of wolf earnings. You click on it and you see all missions that are available. Always do that. Always do that every day. Anytime you finish making your prediction, come here and look for new missions to complete so that you can qualify and earn more wolf. So guys, that is all on today's video. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, follow, share the video, and click the bell icon so that you get notified when I make new videos. Thank you so much, and until next time.